The National People's Party Meghalaya welcomed former MLA of Mawsynram, Himalaya M Shangpliang, to the party at a function that was held today in the presence of the Chief Advisor to the MDA 2.0 government, Dr. D Lapang, MLAs of the NPP besides party workers and supporters. Speaking to the gathering, Chief Minister and also National President of the NPP, Conrad K. Sangma, said that Hima Shangpliang has been an active leader, voicing concerns of the people of the state, and will be a great addition to the party in furthering its mission and vision for Meghalaya.
Because Pasngaba to hand over the tablet, Pasngaba to hand over the constitution. The National President to kindly hand over the tablet to Hima Shangpliang. Yes, give me hand.
The privilege of giving some few words here. First of all, my sincere thanks to the Honorable National Leader of the party, Mr. Conrad Sangma, and looking back to the background of this family, here is the place where we got the stalwart like Conrad Sangma, who led this the national party world, and also to see that the North-East area has been very much under the purview of the honor, glory, and to see the sunshine and the light of the world through this stalwart area.
Very outset, to welcome my friend and the former MLA of Mawsynram constituency, Shri Hima Shangpliang, and all his supporters to the family of the National People's Party. Welcome to National People's Party. When we speak about the National People's Party, I think you must have all noticed that we are very particular about using the word family. We use the word party, and we always follow it by the word family. And the reason why we feel that is because we are very particular that while we are working for our state and for our people, the kind of commitment, the kind of teamwork, the kind of passion, and the kind of environment that we would like to have within the party should be like a family.
I see Meghalaya emerging as one of the leading states in the country. Under the dynamic leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and duly supported by Sri Preston Tinsong and Sri Shobhalandhar, both Deputy Chief Ministers. And I am very impressed with the emphasis given by the party for the development of the state. I could see that the government is focused on entrepreneurship, tourism, on agro-processing, skilling of the youths, and various livelihood sectors. It is these developments that magnifies the purpose of the party.